Neptune, the most distant gas giant in our solar system, is home to some of the most powerful winds ever observed. Faster than the speed of sound, these winds are more powerful than those on any other planet in our solar system, including Jupiter and Saturn. Neptune's atmosphere is primarily composed of hydrogen and helium.
Our planet consists of several Earth's layers, each playing a vital role in Earth's overall structure and function. From the core, nestled deep within Earth's center, to the mantle and the crust that forms the surface we live on, understanding these layers provides valuable information about the geological processes that have shaped our planet.
The harvest moon is the full moon closest to the autumnal equinox, typically in late September or early October. Typically, the moon rises about 50 minutes later each day, but the same doesn't go for harvest moons. The rising harvest moon appears in the night sky about 25 minutes later than the previous night's moon, a much shorter time between moonrises.
People love bubbles. They love to blow them, pop them, and fit inside them. Bubbles aren't just for entertainment. They are the crisp effervescence in our sodas and sparkling water. And some doctors are even using microscopic bubbles to deliver medicine more effectively. Whether for entertainment or scientific study, scientists have been turning their attention to why bubbles pop.
Every single school bus in the United States is painted the exact same color. However, a century ago, kids were transported to school by all kinds of random vehicles. Because there were no federal standards, it was up to states or individual school districts to hire buses, trucks, and even horse-drawn wagons to ferry kids to and from school.
One of life's great marvels is that, much like snowflakes, no two fingerprints are alike. This goes even for identical twins who split from the very same egg. In fact, fingerprints are so unique that we actually have different prints on each and every digit. Although it's not entirely impossible for two fingerprints to match up, the odds are way against it, at 1 in 64 billion.
It's been estimated that people touch their phone hundreds, if not thousands, of times a day. And while many of us wash our hands regularly after, say, going to the bathroom, cooking, cleaning, or gardening, we are much less likely to consider washing our hands after touching our phones. But given how disgusting and germ-infested phones can be, maybe it's time to think more about mobile phone hygiene.
Most adults can't recall life's earliest moments unless the events are reinforced by others who often retell them, or the memories are triggered by photographs or other cues. It's a phenomenon scientists call childhood amnesia. While you may have been able to recall and describe your second birthday party in great detail for months after it happened, a year later those memories may have faded and eventually are lost altogether. The world around us can pose a danger, especially as travel and recreational activities become more common. This means that people are now at a greater risk of encountering life-threatening situations. While the human body can adapt to some degree, it is not equipped to handle toxins or long-term exposure to extreme environmental conditions.
During the early to mid-1900s, dictaphones continued to evolve, with advancements in recording technology. The introduction of magnetic tape in the 1950s brought a more affordable and reliable storage medium for sound data. This innovation led to the production of speech recording devices with improved recording capacity, including the popular cassette tapes.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more videos.